Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
Ice cream. So okay, this is chocolate vanilla ice cream. Chocolate vanilla ice cream. How is it? It's vanilla. Vanilla.
Yep.
It's from there. Japan soft ice cream. Soft cream. So it's also vanilla and chocolate. Super creamy.
Sorry?
Super creamy. I remember like in Hong Kong, soft ice cream. It's the Japanese version, soft ice cream in Hong Kong. Okay, let's have a walk in the downtown area. Night walk. It's quite busy. Ako lang sa It's nice here, so. Alagon Hotel and Spa. Huh? Okay. So the Starbucks is in the other side. The Starbucks I ever seen here in Vietnam. Awesome, so busy. Oh, that's amazing. Look at that, the statue. Wow, they're preparing, huh? Awesome. They're preparing. Preparing for the dine. Oh, so nice. I don't know what are they preparing for.
Good cafe, everyone.
Yeah. This is cool building. Super center. Awesome. Oh, it's a big store here. Big store. Charles and Keith. Do you still remember there's a story behind it? So nice, Some stores are closing now. Awesome. 9 West. Looks like very comfortable, yeah? It's a nice store here. Levi's. Looks like a church. Looks like this area is a expensive brands, huh?
Ah.
Expensive brands are here. I like their dress, it's so cute. I like the stores here, just so cute clothes. House of Richie. So cute. White Spa. The stores are so cute. Oh, okay, sorry. There are hotels also inside. Vans. New Balance. Giordano. So good too. So nice. There are lots of boutiques. Look at that. Cute boutiques. Ooh, so cute. That's so cute. Look at that. Lucky Star Hotel. Oh, this is cool. Seafood restaurant, so big here. And Vietnamese cuisine. So this area is a combination of restaurants and shops. So this is restaurant, right? And then you will see a shop here. Oh, MLB. MLB. Joliet Luxury. One is for renting the bicycles if you want, and then this one they're selling helmets. Big helmet store. Yeah. Outside there's a helmet. Another cafe. Okay, we have to go cross this road. We have 2 roads to cross. Approaching the walking. We're going back now to the walking street. It's busy road, even it's like 9 o'clock or almost 10 p.m. We are going to the market. We will pass by the market, the wet market here. This is yummy. I tried this once. So this is the wet market here. They're closed at 9. I don't know what they're looking for. There's another set. Goods stand. Oh, what's this? This is famous here. Market area, so it's muddy here and everywhere is wet because they need to wash the garbage bin. Okay. Small rooms. Search it. Karaoke. Nice. Street foods. Street foods here. And they're washing it. So this area is one of the biggest bus terminal. Okay. Today's quite not so crowded. Look at that, street foods. That's famous here. Very affordable.